Alright, so this is what we're doing. Playing UFC here. Okay, there's another guy with the camera. And this is these two idiots. Hold on, right here.
You guys are sweating, dude.
I know, you guys are fucking sweating. What are you guys... Oh my god.
Sweating beast.
Nope. Oh, you freaking... You guys are getting a mental erection off me.
I think they're doing submission battle, apparently. And... Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. Uh-oh. Loser. Hey, there's a submission. You can hear the buttons in the back.
No! Dude, my fingers are tired already. Dude, my fingers ain't tired. Just my arm. My arm. Good, you go like this. You gotta use a chair. You gotta use a chair.
And your tongue goes like this.
That's what I did. It was like, I see his head go straight out. And then Josh, you like this.
If you haven't noticed, we're very bored, and they're going at it again. Here we go. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What the hell? It looks like you're freaking jagging them off. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, look at him. Yeah! Look at him. Look at him. Oh, here we go again.
Oh, controller. Oh, shit. Controller cheat. What happened? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. This is out of thing.
It says, please reconnect controller.
Okay, ready? Set, go. Dude, it's not for our thing. It's dead.
Josh, trembling, Josh. Trembling.
We have a minor technical difficulty. A dead controller.
To which button mashing?
Oh, hey, wait, we got another one. Here we go. This is why Xbox sucks, because their controllers die fast.
Oh, because we don't have rechargeable battery packs.
Exactly. We save the earth, man.
Go.
Oh, look at him go! Look at him go!
Dude, tape it. Tape it back.
Yeah, look it.
If you can see that, it says, please reconnect controller.
Because this Xbox sucks ass.
No, not this one.
And that's because it's Dan's Xbox. What up, Dan?
Just use this one. Yeah, this one.
I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but you guys are still playing. Oh. Look at his face. Look at his face.
John, come watch this, John. So she's gonna call.
There's actually some pretty good graphics, even though it's a phone. An iPhone. Right there. Flying armbar. Ooh. What happened to submissions, guys? Ooh. Ah! Look at him, look at him, look at him go, look at him go! Oh! I don't know, oh. Here we go, here we go. This is going on YouTube, guys, just to let you know.
Ah! Oh, shit.
What was that? Ah!
I think after this, with this cold big shot.
Boom! Flying armbar! Flying armbar! Dude, Forrest looks so big. Why does he look big?
Yeah, he's not supposed to look big.
Yeah, he's not that big. Ooh. Forrest doesn't do a Superman punch.
Yeah, he does.
No, he doesn't.
He did it in the fight against Stephen Moss.
I don't remember that.
Hey, put me on YouTube.
Who cares? You get poon.
Food.
Oh, shit!
Uh-oh.
Shit!
Oh, come on! This is boring. 5, 12, look at that, 10 seconds. Knock him out! Oh. Look at him, look at him. They look like they just got done boning each other.
I just got some poon.
Just got some man food. Love it.
Oh!
Flying armbar! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Shit!
Yes, you get a little low. My dad's sleeping.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we go. Yes, should be tripping out. Should be tripping
In
out.
other words, make it louder.
I feel a triangle coming on.
Look, he's ready. He's ready.
Ready?
Are you gonna give it to their face?
Look at him. Look at his face.
Shit!
You're getting their fucking look stop trap. Oh.
Hurry up.
Hey, Josh.
This is gonna be a long video on YouTube.
What is this thing?
It's 5 minutes, almost 6 right now.
Oh shit, dude.
We are at 5:50 right now, and it's so pretty good. Uh oh. If you can hear them, they're.
Shit!
My fingers hurt.
All you see is submissions in this.
Bye bye, peoples.